there was a bird on the head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There was a bird on the head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Yes. And we know. Now there are 2 birds on your head. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are love birds. Love birds. How do you know they are love birds? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. No, it's me. Uh-oh. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? It worked! Cool. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Biggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. And there's a pigeon, and that's why he ate a hot dog. I want to end. What? Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this podcast called We Are Reading. There is a bird on your head. And there's somewhere else I'm catching. Where are you at now? I'm Piggy. Now let's bow. Let's watch our podcast.